How you guys doing today? Welcome back to AI Pin. Today we're going to be going over a different bot, and this bot we will be going over is the chat bot. So like I said, there's four sections: communication, content, media, lifestyle bots, and specialized bot. And today we'll be going over the communication chat bot. So when you get on the dashboard, after you guys log in and everything, you go on the chat bot. And after you go on the chatbot, it gives you a couple predetermined prompts that you guys can already put just to give an idea of what the chatbot is. So what is a chatbot? It can ask you, it's just a regular chatbot like ChatGPT, like Copilot, like all these other chatbots where you can go and ask it numerous amount of questions. You can ask it to do stuff. You can just ask it to have a conversation with you, like how it says over here. So for example, let's give it some prompts. Hi, I want to start a conversation with you about cars. Please give me detailed answers of the best cars in 2024 with an amazing engine within the $6,000 within, let's say, $20,000 budget. I really want to know more about cars. Type it in, and look, it gives you a whole thing. You can buy high mileage ones under 20K. What do you think? And you can click on read more, and it takes you on to this one right here, to the Reddit. So as you can see, it gives you a whole different list of so many things you could do, and you can ask it a million different questions. I just asked it about cars right now because that's what I'm curious about, but you could just say, hi, I want to just talk to you about whatever. I want to talk to you about school. I want to talk to you about whatever the case may be. So it's a thing you have where you can go and talk with the bot and you can engage with it. So this is a chat bot, and I hope you guys liked it.